So hello guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Today in this video I discuss about news retailing platform. So guys, this platform link in my description box. So guys, let's go and click the register link and open this platform. Check this platform. This is the interface of this platform. So guys, first of all, register an account. You need to put your email address and login password and confirm password and create transaction password and fill up the Telegram number and simply click the register now button. So guys, after registration process will complete, check this is the latest announcement of this platform. So guys, you can read it, then click the confirm button, and here you can see this is the interface of this platform. So guys, now know about the VIP section. This is the VIP section, and you can check my per day income is a. So guys, now you can check I already purchased VIP 1, and you can check VIP 2. Their price 91 USD and per day income is a 3.6 USD, and you can check VIP 3. Their price 371 USD and per day income is a 98 USD. So you can check all VIP level, their price and also daily income. So guys, now know about the recharge price. How to recharge? So you click the recharge button, then copy this address and go to your cryptocurrency wallet. So guys, this is my wallet. So you need to click the USD button, send button, paste the address and click the next button and fill up your rechargeable amount. After recharge done, you need to click the submit button, and here you can see my recharge is already done. So now you need to complete your total task. For task, you need to click here and click the submit button, and here you can see my first order is done. So now you need to repeat this process again and again. So guys, you can check my total task is done. So guys, now know about the salary description. This is the company rule, and so guys, you can read carefully. And now know about the team section. This is the second way of earning, and this is the free earning. So you have to copy this address and share your friend family. If your friend join in recharge, you can get very good profit and get very good commission. And here you can see there are 3 levels: team A, team B, team C. So guys, you can make your own team and get very good profit and get very good commission. So guys, now know about the withdraw process. How to withdraw? So guys, this is a very easy process. Click the withdraw button, and here you need to put your withdraw address and password. So guys, this is my withdraw address, and here you need to put your withdraw address and password. So guys, now you can check my withdraw address is successfully added. So now you need to put your withdrawable amount and password and click the submit button. So guys, now you need to click the submit button, and here you can see my withdraw is successful done. So guys, withdraw receive time is 1-2 minutes. So I am waiting 1-2 minutes. Okay. So guys, now you can check I have received 2.7 USD. This is the live withdraw proof of this platform. So guys, why are you select? So let's go and click the register link and use this platform. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.